Hey everyone, I want to make a quick video on how you can create a QR code for your Cloudflare domain. So we can see we have a Cloudflare domain right here, which is evandustech.org. This is my domain. And let's say I want to create a QR code that when someone takes a picture of it or puts their phone up to the QR code, it'll send them straight to this domain. So what we can do is use Adobe Express's free QR code generator. I like using this generator because you don't need an account, you don't need to enter any credit card payment or anything like that. It's a free QR code generator. So what we can do is click on where it says create now. And now we can go ahead and copy our Cloudflare domain. So I'm going to click on that, copy the domain like so. And then we can go ahead and paste it into this input field here. And it might say invalid URL. So just make sure that you add the http:// before the domain name. And that way it will actually be a valid URL. And once you do that, it's going to generate this QR code, which we can go ahead and download. We can also adjust the style of it. So let's say we want it to be more round. We could use dots as well. We can choose all of these different styles if we want. We can also adjust the color if we want. And we can also adjust the file format. So if we wanted to download it as a PNG, we could select JPEG if we want a JPEG, or we could do an SVG. Or you could also right click it, click save image as. You can also click copy image if you just want to copy the image real quick. But that is how you can create a QR code for your Cloudflare domain. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.